Hi guys, welcome to Teardown. In this video, I'll be destroying someone's entire life work just because someone told me to do so. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, next mission. Now we doing this. I still don't know how, but Lee found out about the cars and totally overreacted. I just saved the life of those poor cars and he goes completely mental and vandalizes my property. Can you believe that? Good thing I'm properly insured. I've thought about ways to get back at him and finally nailed it. The iconic water tower at Lee Chemicals. His grandfather built it with his bare hands and it has since become a symbol of the entire Lee family. They even use it in their logotype. Making the tower a little less tall would make a more suitable symbol for the small man he is. I mean, as you wish, bruh. That's nice. I'm still alive. So that's one. And the last part is... so it doesn't want to fall. Nice. How long did it take? I think like 30 minutes. That wasn't 6 minutes. Gordon really took this one step too far. You probably heard it on the news, but he hit my tower. The Lee Tower. My poor grandfather's probably turning in his grave right now. It'll cost me a fortune to rebuild that. I need to get back at Gordon. But he's loaded with monies that whatever I do, he can just pay someone to fix it. The only way to get him is to strike where his fat wallet can protect him. His precious art collection. Some of these paintings would also be nice contribution to the restoration fund for my new tower. So I need to steal them. First I'll do the side mission with the tools. Of course it has wired alarm boxes and it's scattered everywhere. And why is the escape here? So one's up there. I can move this. Can I drive something up there? Yes! Okay. I can attach it with planks, theoretically. Why did you fall? that should be enough. That's good. And that's one. I need something bombastic to get out of here. Or just use perfect. Now I need a car in there. Where's the tool? Let me just quick save. Can I just... That's alright. I can do this. And place any car in here. Like this. Boom. Inside. Drive to here. Let me just exit real quick. Quick save. Now I can drive off of here. Nice. Perfectly into the car and escape. Nice. Okay. What do you mean they're 4 required? Where's the 4th one? What? Oh my god. Damn, so that's problematic. Oh, so there's just an optional target right there. I can take it. It's a swimming platform, but they don't have any more planks. One time, boom. Look at this. Boom. Okay. 2. 3. Drive, drive, drive. 4, and now 1 optional from here. So I could easily escape right now. Where's the last one? Is it easy to collect? One's here, one's here. I could try to do it perfectly. I just need to have better timing. Okay, that's already better. That's very nice actually. Boom. Jump. Okay, that was really bad, but I did it perfectly. Holy shit, that was ass. Hi guys, that's it for today's teardown video. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one.